Hello everybody, welcome back to another video where today I'll be riding the lawnmower. This bad boy, I picked it up and I got the keys around here and we're going to drive around the yard at max speed or more close to that. I promise you I won't drop you, but I'll have to stay focused on the yard. So the first thing you want to do is, see this thing? It's the thing that stops the lawnmower. You want this in neutral first so that way you won't jet forward. And then you want to start it. Now when you started it, you let go, you put it forward, let go, and you're off. We'll stay at a low speed for now because right now I'm just showing you guys what you're going to do. So right now, I'm going to shut the lawn. I'm going to do this for a second. I'm going to activate the thing right here, which drops this thing to mow the lawn. So if you want to mow the lawn, you activate this thing. Right now I'm not going to do it because I already did today. So right now we're just going to take it out for a joyride. We can't go on the road fortunately because, well, here or whatever. So anyways, let's continue. We're going to drive this around. I'm going to slightly increase the speed. And I'm going to slightly go faster. And slightly increase power and torque. That means I'm going slightly faster. I'm not going to go full speed yet, but I'm going to show you that just this is the yard. I'm going to show you around. So the lawnmower is all right. But down here is the best place. This is the property line, unfortunately, so I can't go over there. But there's actually another lawnmower. So anyways, alright then. See here, I'm going to stop here. Now watch. I'm going to slow it down and go in reverse, which is just obviously. And I'm going to drive backwards to get out of here. You obviously want to watch out for anything that may be in your way. So make sure you're always looking back. Of course, you always want to make sure. Now do what I do. Stop. Hit this thing I'm stepping on, put it forward, and then you're off. Again. Now I'm gonna increase the speed again. There you go. Speed and torque is now altered. Anyways, I'm gonna go around here, up, this and go into this thing or whatever. See, now this is our yard. More of a yard, it's pretty big. I'm glad I have the travel mower around. If I had to push more of the roar, that's our pool and stuff. I'm actually getting a little house for a while off the lawnmower. So anyways, yeah. So right now, I'm going to slow it down. Slow it kind of down. So that way, I don't hit the pipe. See over there? So that way, I'm trying to surprise and holding the phone as well while doing this. So anyways, I'll have to go through this. I'm lucky I don't have any bugs. And now, we're gonna take neutral. I'm gonna play actually no, I can't really do that. Oh okay, well, you're gonna see I'm gonna go all the way up. There. I'm currently at max torque. I'm going to go really fast. I'm going to show you how this goes. Now of course you want to have it in that, and then you put it forward, and then you go. I'll have to grab one hand again. Of course, you always want to make sure not to wipe out. So when you don't want to wipe out, make sure to always be in control. You never want to get thrown off. Get thrown off at this point. Right now, I'm kind of careful about it. So, now, apparently, that's how you drive along. All this stuff I don't really know that well. I don't know if you rather do know anything like the car. This doesn't officially, it's not on my knee, it's on my parents, unfortunately. They just let me get the car, and I got a good YouTube thing around it. Anyways, now, I showed you mostly, and I've enjoyed my joyride. You have to slow down. Now, here, and you want to go into reverse. And now you want to slowly go back into my garage, what I'm going to do. Or drive in wherever you're keeping the lawnmower, keep it there. Keep it there or somewhere else. Dang, I'm sweaty and there's bugs everywhere. So now, I'm backing up to my garage. Just give it a sec. And now, you want to stop it right there, put it forward, and take the keys out, and then you're set. That's how you drive a lawnmower. I showed you basically step-by-step tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe. And leave a question in the comments if you want to know anything else. Alright, bye-bye.